How to fix error 0xC5022 on Windows. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, access Windows features. Click on search bar at bottom left corner of the screen and search for Windows features. Now you will get the option for turn Windows features on or off. Simply click Open button to access it. New windows appear on your screen where you need to enable legacy components in Windows Features Windows. Scroll down to find a folder named Legacy Components. Now you need to click on plus icon to expand it. Now you need to check the box for a direct way. And after that, you have to click on OK button to save the changes and wait for the process to complete. And once it is finished, you need to close this window. Now you need to restart your computer to apply the changes, and after restarting your error should be resolved. That's it, your error 0xC5022 on Windows will be fixed. That's it, I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos.